18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, that weakening front is still in the vicinity, so there are still a few little isolated storms popping on that little boundary that is set up right across our viewing area. A little more widespread storm action here in central Illinois. I think these will kind of rain themselves out in central Illinois this evening, but right along the boundary in the heart of the viewing area, can't rule out a few little isolated storms like this little guy here as we head into the evening hours. And this storm is actually moving off to the northeast, so if it does hold together, it would affect parts of perhaps far northwestern Warren County and parts of Benton County here over about the next hour, hour and a half. That's a pretty heavy rain producer and is moving pretty slowly at the present time. So as you head out and about this evening, be prepared for an isolated storm or two. Notice on our Renaissance cam, little milky high cirrus from some of those storms in Illinois. The top's blowing off the tops of those storms, if you will. And there's some of the cumulus clouds bubbling up. So it's a little unstable out there. So we're going to keep the isolated storm chances in the forecast for the evening. Temperatures are running in the upper 80s to right around 90 over most of the viewing area now. 83 Rochester, 84 Rensselaer, however. And it feels like it's generally in the 90s area wide. 95 Monticello, current heat index of 95 Burlington, and it feels like 93 in Lafayette. So as we head out and about, there are your isolated storm chances right through 11 o'clock. Rather warm and humid, 87 at 7, 81 at 9, and 74 degrees with a light east-northeast wind at 11 o'clock. So isolated storms this evening and tonight, but dry tomorrow, Saturday, and into Sunday. But it will be hot and humid. The heat index pushing 100 by late in the weekend. Then perhaps some more organized storm action, maybe even a little severe weather as we head towards Monday and Tuesday. Lows tonight, though, generally low 60s in the north, 63 Logansport, mid-60s here in the south, 65 Attica, Crawfordsville, 64 here in Lafayette. Could be a few patches of fog very late tonight, and mostly sunny, hot and humid tomorrow. Highs generally 85 to 90, 87 Logansport, 88 Lafayette, about 89 over at Penn. So we're in that sticky range today. We'll be in the sticky range tomorrow and Saturday before it gets downright oppressive Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But then next week, late next week, we may drop down a little bit with the humidity in the uncomfortable range. So just a hair better, and I'll explain why here with the outlook. Notice the isolated storm potential as we head into the evening hours. Tomorrow we're fine. It's hot and humid, but dry and mostly sunny for the weekend. Very hot Monday, severe weather possible, perhaps more severe weather on Tuesday. But then the front backs off to the southwest. It may push the heat a little bit to the southwest. High of 87 on Wednesday. 70 forecast, there you have it, 88 for the high tomorrow, 91 Saturday, well into the 90s, perhaps mid-90s early on next week, and just a hair cooler Wednesday and Thursday.
Okay, Chad, thank you.
Sure. Barbecue weather for sure. Okay, right. Thanks, Chad. History